Hello everybody, my name is Eric and right now I'm going to give you a lesson all about what are global issues and how can we protect the environment. So in global issues, it is issues that affect the global community and environment such as environmental issues, political crisis, social issues, and economic crisis. The biggest issue related to the environment worldwide are climate change, biodiversity, ecosystem losses, species depletion, deforestation, and marine safety and pollution. So over the past few years, the human population and the presidency have been a major cause of biodiversity and ecosystem losses, and everyone have been given less attention to the problem. The major cause of biodiversity and ecosystem loss are habitat loss, pollution increase, and global climate change. Right now, Guatemala has the most biodiversity and ecosystem losses. See, there have been an increase in urban population growth over the last 60 years. So that's why I'm going to focus on Guatemala and the country global issues related to biodiversity and ecosystem losses. The basic reason why Guatemala has the issues of biodiversity and ecosystem loss is because they have the most of deforestation and forest losses that caused by humans today. So, so Guatemala, including its stage two here ITC, to the so to begin with, the birth rate is 35 per 1,000 people, and the death rate is 5 per 1,000 people. The birth and death rates are very far apart, making the rate of national increasing 20%. So the reason why there is day two is because the family Guatemala have the big family and higher birth rates because family need the surgery to help work the farm and help about the housing. And there is also a lot of lack of education to go around to teach family about the effects of having a lot of kids. And the death grades are also at the ITC here. If very less, it's because they have, they have the technology and 5 minutes and a few circuit death. So a lot of family ready to be born to the baby, but every aging it got to decrease the death. Um, so to add to this, the population growth is 1.86%. The population parent show Guatemala it is to what is with the primary shape with a large face of children, a very small top of older people. The increase of birth and decrease of death is related to biodiversity and ecosystem losses because the more people a country have, the more burning and deforestation they do to order to survive and to have enough cope. So like they burn all the forest, and that's why it is see that the way they a lot of people get sick from the smoke or the air pollution from burning the crops or the forest. So that's why it is see in each age it got to decrease. So that's why it caused the population growth to decrease. So, however, there is nothing to do to protect the biodiversity and ecosystem loss. It because many people do not believe that human destroying ecosystem and they use the resource of one and will have planet Earth. So even though they have one leaving a big carbon footprint, so there are there are these we and other people in Guatemala do everything to harm biodiversity and our ecosystem in this world, harm animal going extinct, cutting down tree deforestation and need so that all the things that people like us and people in Guatemala do that kill that hurt the environment, but they they're not attempting to save the environment. Um, and a lot of people, most stressful, they realize what's going on because either the teacher or the adult they tell the student or the children or they just don't care about it. They just keep going and they just keep helping the family to keep going from birth to forest. And so that is why people don't really care because they either don't care or they didn't realize that they hurt the environment. Um, so right now we're doing a quick quiz on what do you learn from this slide. So the first slide is which of these are not example of environmental global issues. So A, species depletion. B, marine safety and pollution. C, having no access to Wi-Fi or internet. Or D, biodiversity and ecosystem losses. So think about it. Which one is not example? So the second one, which global issue thought what I have the most like which are nerd that so it is A, climate change. B, deforestation. D, biodiversity and ecosystem loss. Or D, fishing depletion. So be careful what he answers. So think about which issue that Guatemala have the more or how the people focus the most. So think about it. Um, the next question is which stage of Guatemala are the decolonization stage or right now? Is it A, stage 3, B, stage 1, C, stage 4, D, or D, stage 2? That should be easy, you should know that. And the fourth question is does Guatemala population growth going increase, decrease, or stay the same over the age? You should see the graph that does the population in Guatemala going up from baby to adult, that it go up, it go increase or decrease or just same the day like same level. So with the A increase, B stay the same, or D C decrease. Okay, well now we go to the next one. The last question was What are the reasons why the biodiversity and ecosystem loss occurs? It is A. Overpopulation and forest loss. B. Deforestation and forest loss. Or C. Land population and deforestation. Okay, right now we go to see the answer. Do you know or do you don't? Okay, so the first one, which of these are not example of global issues? It is C, having no access to Wi-Fi or internet. That's not true, but people have a Wi-Fi or people have internet, so it's no big deal. So it C. So the next one, then the second one, with global issues, the Guatemala have the most. The answer is C. You should know that we just talk about it a lot. So it biodiversity and ecosystem losses. And we go to the next one. The third one. So it's like which states of Guatemala of the democratic states are right now. At the answer B, stage 2. So you should know the answer is very easy. So it's stage 2. And the fourth question, does Guatemala population grow, increase, decrease, or stay the same over the years? So the answer is C. It's going decreasing. It should still, the population C. So this is C is going decrease from the age 0 to 4, like baby, to older people. So it going decrease. So the answer is going decrease. Name is okay. The last question is, what are the reasons why the biodiversity and ecosystem loss occurs? The answer is B. It's the deforestation and forest loss. So this one is the reason why Guatemala that it causes. Okay, so one in conclusion, it is very important to know that as human population continue to increase, the biodiversity in ecosystem losses will increase over time. Biodiversity and ecosystem are the primary reason that our environment is dying. This need to make conclusion to how to save the environment. First, everyone need to regulate and solve degradation, especially in aquatic culture, by only taking what you need. So what the money need to do that, what the money need to reduce and store degradation, so that can save the environment. Not only that, but there another conclusion that Guatemala people should do that is that everyone need to stop deforestation and starting from mostly the harmful effects and it causes our planet. So able to stop doing the deforestation, which means able to stop cutting the tree or to stop burn the tree and just leave it alone and let it just grow. And if the people do that, the forest should be not like that. It should be uniform. So let's think about the hybrids and ecosystem. We are harming little by little. We can make an impact if we change how we do things in our daily life, like walking to place instead of driving abruptly, recycling and compassion our weight. So if if we do all the if we do all the collusion,